How to create a beautiful animated Islamic background. Go to Canva. Custom size. For YouTube Shorts, width 900, height 1600. Tap on Create New Design. Search Islamic background. You can select according to your choice. How to edit. Select an element which you want to edit. Go to Filter. Select any filter. Put filter on all one by one. You can also reposition the elements. Put this element at the back. Go to Position. Select Backward. I want to edit these, but I cannot select. Go to Layers. Select the layer which you want to edit. Now change the color. Go to plus sign. Go to Elements. Search flowers or any element you like. Select any. Adjust the size. Filter. How to animate these flowers. Go to Animate. These are all the animations. Select the elements one by one which you want to animate. Duplicate this one. Select the flower and tap plus. Adjust the size. Change the position to backwards. You can lighten it by transparency. You can change the background too. Select any color you like. Now play and watch. You can add text. Go to Text. Tap on Add a text box. Write text. Change the font. Any font you like. Adjust the font size. Can change the font color too. Can also add effects. Can animate the text. A lot of animations. Now play and watch. You can also animate background. Select the background. Go to Animate. Select SNI Animation. Now play. For more learning tutorials, please subscribe.